This is the most incredible bread, and all you need is flour and yogurt. No yeast, no oven, no waiting. This bread recipe changed my life. That's it. 2 ingredients. No rising, no proofing, no stress. Just 1 cup of plain yogurt and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. That's what I have in my bowls here. So this is a great recipe if you are a beginner baker or if you just want something that is like foolproof. It really couldn't be easier. Just pour the yogurt right into the flour and then use a spoon to mix it all together. You'll notice it starts to form a dough. If it's a little sticky, add a little more flour, just a tablespoon at a time until it's not sticking to the sides of the bowl. Then you are going to turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and just get your hands in there. This is like a minute of kneading, maybe a minute and a half. You just want to get it to a point where it's smooth and even. Now you can roll it out into like a round disc or an oval. It doesn't really matter. I'm going kind of rustic today, so I'm just shaping it with my hands. You want it to be a little thicker towards the middle and thinner towards the edges. Now we're going to get our pan nice and hot. A little goes a long way with the oil. And we're going to cook this on medium heat. We'll cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, covered. You don't need an oven for this. The stovetop works perfectly. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you'll see it start to brown a little bit. And when you flip it, look at that color. Look how crispy that looks. That's just from the yogurt. And the inside will be soft and fluffy. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, you can brush it with some garlic butter. You can sprinkle on some fresh herbs. You can even put a little bit of cheese on top. Go wild! But even without those things, this is amazing. I like to tear it open right when I'm making it so I can smell the steam. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? The inside is what really matters, and it's gonna be soft and fluffy. I have made this bread every week since I learned it. It is that good. It is so easy. I promise you're gonna love it. Would you dip this in some soup or maybe eat it with a little bit of honey? Let me know down below. I read every single comment. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more recipes that are going to make you feel like a magician. But they really only take minutes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.